In this tutorial, we will show you how to update your employee address information. To begin, go to the Employees tab. Click on the drop arrow beside the View icon for the employee whose address needs to be updated, and click Edit. Alternatively, you can click the View icon and scroll to the bottom and click on the Edit button. Both of these actions will bring you to the Employee Editing page. Scroll down to the Contact Information section and update the address information with the new employee address. Scroll to the bottom and enter the effective date. Select the checkbox to indicate the employee is eligible, and then click Save. A banner will appear across the top of the page confirming the employee has been successfully updated. That completes the Updating Employee Address Information Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.